Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over a new stock that was brought to my attention by one of our followers. This is Livento Group, ticker symbol NuGene, trading on the OTC market. We're going to go over who they are, talk about their divisions, and then we're going to go over their recent shareholder letter that was released on the 25th of July. And then, of course, we'll break down the charts as always. So before we get into it, guys, just remember I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research before investing. Also, if you find value in the video, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content, and hit the notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. Also, if you have a stock that you would like to have covered, go ahead and leave it in the comment section below. I'll do my best to get to it as soon as I can. And if I don't right away, then just keep reminding me and go from there. So this is their website here, liventogroup.com. It says Livento Group is a US-based company focused on disruptive business models. Livento is a dynamic organization looking for businesses that can deliver value and strong growth. Founded 5 years ago, we are in continuous development of our own AI and machine learning portfolio systems and the start of the Boxo movie production brand. Acquisition and merger with the NuGene International Incorporated delivered the opportunity to boost the value of our business and expand it on a global scale. Our ultimate target is to be listed on the major world exchanges so large investors across the globe can participate in our projects. And some highlights down below. It says 60% revenue growth from 2021 versus 2022, $23 million in assets in 2021, 12 employees in Europe and a US location, and 2 IPOs on US stock exchanges in 2022, one already realized. Okay, and it goes down to talk about their business model. That says Boxo Productions is a prominent independent film and television production company that is led by an established financial, legal, and entertainment team. We produce and fund premium content across a range of genres, championing and boldest and most original voices in a modern entertainment. Portfolio management system, an investment service that allows clients to choose from a select group of assets and leverage the latest technologies to deliver the best performing ones based on clients' chosen attributes. And then real estate investment opportunities focused on significant residential projects in Europe. And then it comes down here, it talks about for our investors. At Livento, we employ and partner with financial professionals in the US and Europe to ensure that your assets will be in safe hands and under our experienced management. We will assist you in building an investment portfolio suited to your goals. Livento currently has multiple products for each investor in regards of investment size, risk appetite, and it says don't hesitate to contact us, and it goes down there below. It says we're listed on the OTC market and otcmarkets.com. You can click on that and look them up for more information. So it shows a chart of their stock currently at 13 cents, and then it goes down here to talk about the different press releases that they've had, and then it also has at the very bottom it goes through their team. There's an investment relations director there. You can go through those 5 tabs and kind of read through. This website will be linked in the description below if you want to, if you want to kind of dig more into that. So I do want to go more into their divisions. We'll go to the entertainment side first. Okay, where it says, let's see, Boxo's aim is to serve high-valued added content to target audience while minimize the risk of movie failure. So we're going to go down here some numbers here. It says in target production of 6 movies in 2022, with the box office sales projecting over 50 MUSD each. Contracts secured by established distributors like Paramount, Netflix, and others. A profit margin of over 40%. Films featuring top actors and writers like Robert De Niro, Stan Lee, John Malkovich, and others. So that's about the entertainment side, and we'll go to the portfolio management side. Check this out here if my computer will load. All right, so going down here, it says AI and machine learning system. It says for building an equity portfolio is not a simple process. since one must take into consideration the future of particular industries and companies within them. In all cases, we're looking for a combination of strong management, prudent allocation of capital, and the return of capital provides. What retail investors and families offices lack is historical data, and this is where Livento excels. We believe in diversification, but we will overweight those industries and companies that have a more promising outlook. Your financial situation and investment needs are unique to you. We see the constant shift in the world's financial markets, real estate prices, CPI data, and good portfolio management as a key to success. We identify this as a unique opportunity to support several companies with different needs to aid them in their asset selection process. We developed our own system that is able to read large amounts of data and run portfolio analysis on these assets, providing improved portfolio management and performance. The system's development commenced in early 2018, and the first version took 1 year of development and testing with various basic data sets. Currently, Livento has a team of 3 people who focus on the maintenance and further development of the system, making it more robust and stable, and increasing the number of asset classes it could potentially support. And then in the numbers, it says 4 years. It has 4 years of development, 3 years successful track record of the AI system, the ability to process 1 TB of data in 1 hour, and a 40% faster and more accurate decision process than the market average. So, and then you can kind of, again, this will be linked in the description below. You can read through this, but I'll go down here and talk about the total return. I'll give you some more numbers and things like that. So the beta and all this other stuff. So if you want more information on that, you could actually, you could email them here and you can get a full fund sheet that'll go over that. So that's their investment portfolio management system. We'll go into the real estate projects next. All right, next up, the real estate projects. So the real estate projects, it says they prepare and package real estate projects that are further sold to developers or realized with our investors internally. They focus mainly on the European residential market, where the demand for residential units is very high, and on financing and strategic management of real estate projects across Europe. And then it goes down to say our team supports as well owners of real estate projects or properties in strategical management. Their services usually consist of strategical positioning, property sale support, refinancing via bank or private partners, corporate and legal structure. It says in the case of Livento accepts a real estate project management opportunity, it receives a percentage stake in it and a regular revenue stream. Okay, so that's kind of an overview of the website. Let's take a look now at their shareholder letter that was on the 25th of July, and it says 2021 has brought accelerated growth for Livento Group, placing us on the fast track of trading on the public markets with the aim of upgrading it to a higher exchange. The expansion of our business model into the film and television industry, and onboarding of legendary Hollywood producers, the evolution of our AI program into large market sectors, the approaching completion of real estate projects, and the establishment of key partnerships with key influential members of the global financial community have all served to propel Livento to new horizons in proportionally a short period of time. As always, we seek to increase shareholder value and surpass shareholder expectations in our endeavors. We hold shareholder communication as a high priority and maintain the integrity and transparency of our company. To this end, we would like to provide our shareholders with a material events lineup for the fourth quarter 2022. And it talks about Wash Me in a River, which is in one of their films featuring Robert De Niro, which is going to hit theaters in the fall of 2022. Euro.IPO, and this is one of the companies that they talked about. It's going to be that's going to be IPO, as we expect to launch the IPO in September of 2023, following up with a number of strategic acquisitions currently being explored under the Euro. Brand. NuGene International name change to Livento. The application for the change from NuGene International to Livento Group has been submitted to FINRA and is due to update at the end of August. We're also considering a symbol change for NuGene in November, so keep an eye out for that. And then proprietary quoting and QB status. We have been informed by OTC Markets that the review process for obtaining proprietary training under Rule 15C211 has begun and will reflect by the beginning of September, along with the upgrade to OTCQB. Upon completion of this step, we intend to retire any surplus issued authorized shares to better reflect the value of our company. Okay, so this will be linked in the description below also, guys, if you want to take a look at that and reread this as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at the charts and let's see what they're telling us. All right, guys, taking a look at NuGene. This is on the OTC markets, and this here is currently on the 184-hour time frame, has been in a bullish pattern for quite some time, and all the way got to as high as about 15 cents, and we did have a slight pullback here, and we finished at about 13. Currently your support's at about 10 cents. Your first level of resistance, actually it should be about 12.5 cents of your support. Okay, so 12.5 cent support, and then first level of resistance past that is about 15 cents, and then 20 cents, and then from there you have a support of about 10 cents, and then underneath that roughly about 8, and then down to about 4, a little over 4 cents, and then the total bottom floor, which is 0.0044. What a big run up from here, from 0.0044 all the way to 20 cents. That's massive, huge percentage gain there. Not a whole lot of volume on the trading side on TD Ameritrade as of Friday. We are currently in overbought territory, so just keep that in mind as well, that you're due for a pullback on this company, especially as OTC market stocks. Whenever they pull back pretty aggressively. As you see here, it went from 20 cents, it went all the way down to about 4 cents, and then came right back up to about 20. We fell down again, then came back up, and then we've been trading down, and boom, we popped up again, then popped up again. So you're going to see some type of pullback. You just don't know exactly where it'll end up before moving higher, if it does continue to move higher. So interestingly enough, if it does continue higher, even with the slight pullbacks, and get to about 20 cents, it would make for a very interesting swing play, because that would basically be forming. We like to identify these cup and handle patterns, and that's kind of what it's looking like it's forming here, is if we can continue to go higher and higher and higher with the occasional pullbacks, and eventually reach 20 cents again, and then maybe pull back to about the 15 to 12.5. That would be something cool to watch. So anyway, guys, let me know your comments below on this stock. Let me know if you own it, if you're buying it, if you're selling it, what you're doing. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.